Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the setup and installation process of the Shopify POS Smart Grid system. Whether you are a small business owner or just getting started with Shopify, the guide will help you get up and running smoothly. Let's dive in. Let's just know a little about Shopify. Shopify is a top tier e commerce platform designed to help entrepreneurs efficiently manage their online and physical stores. With its intuitive interface, Shopify offers easy customization and powerful integration options, allowing business to seamlessly contact with various apps. It supports sales, inventory, and customer management, making it a versatile solution for businesses of any size. Shopify's robust features and support empowers users to create a unique, efficient shopping experience. Here in the left side panel, we can see point of sale. Click on it. This is Shopify POS system. The Shopify POS system is a powerful tool designed to streamline retail operation by integrating seamlessly with Shopify's online platform. Easy to set up and use. It supports various payment methods, include credit cards, cash, and gift cards, providing flexibility for both retailers and customers. With Shopify POS, businesses can efficiently manage inventory across all sales, ensuring stock levels are always up to date. It also offers robust sales tracking features, allowing business owners to analyze performance and make informed decisions. Furthermore, the system enhances customer service by enabling a smooth checkout process and providing access to customer data for personalized interactions. Ideal for businesses looking to unify their online and offline operations, Shopify POS offers a comprehensive solution to boost efficiency and drive growth. Now see the process practically. Click on settings. Now you can find here so many options like language, subscription, smart grids, and POS apps. We are going to click on smart grids. Now click on this create now button for creating a new POS grid. We can set a name and location for this grid. For demo, I'm setting this name for demo. Now set as default, and now I'm going to choose these locations. Done. Now click on customize. By clicking on this button, we can customize this grid. You can see we already have some options for this grid. By clicking add title, we can navigate more options and some sub options. For example, we are going to take a grid for discount, and here we can add some percentage. Let's take 50% for measure our discount, and we can add some notes about our discount like this. Now click on add. Here you can see we have added a dedicated grid for our discount. We can also customize the position of our grids. We can delete a grid by clicking on this trash icon like this. Now we will add a grid about fee, name the fee, and highlight the amount. You can customize your grid as you wish. It depends on you how beautiful can you make your grids. Keep in mind that you need to attract customers by these grids, so customize it properly. You also can change the color of grids. Click on the grid you want to change the color. Now choose a color you like. Remember to choose an eye-catchy color that attracts people. You can add multiple pages by clicking on add page. Decorate your each and every grid page by adding titles and necessary informations about your service or business. Now let's choose a subcategory for page 2. As you can see, I have added a section for add gift card and add note. You can inspect mobile view and tablet view. Clicking on this mobile icon, you can inspect the mobile view. Then you can click on tab and the tab view will open up. You also can choose the light mode and the dark mode. After finishing the customization, you can click on apply for save the changes. Now click on save. Now confirm your information and locations. You can duplicate this current grid by clicking this duplicate button. Here we go. We have successfully created a POS smart grid. The Shopify POS system offers seamless integration with online stores, ensuring consistent inventory management across all channels. It enhances the customer's experience with quick checkouts and flexible payment options, while its intuitive interface makes it easy to use for businesses of all sizes. This efficient system helps retailers improve operations and drive sales growth, make it an ideal choice for small business owners. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video informative, then give a like and don't forget to subscribe and hit this bell icon. We'll get back to you with another informative video soon.